how are you all doing? So this is a very random vlog, and yes, this is the very first vlog of my channel. I'm quite excited and also nervous, but you're going to have fun for sure. And today we are heading to Safdarjung. Over there we are going to explore some cafes, some food, my favorite places which I genuinely love. So this is my outfit. Wow. And this is the bag which I'm carrying.
I booked an auto directly to Safdarjung, picked my friend as well, and here I am struggling with the lip liner in an auto. But lip gloss laga ke I was looking super pretty.
Hello everyone, meet Palak. Hi Palak. So finally we have reached Safdarjung, and right now we are just heading to Kori's. We are going to go there to have some Korean food, and then we'll see which cafe we are going to next. So let's go.
As soon as I entered Kori's, मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मैं कोरिया में आ गई हूँ because उनका sitting system बिल्कुल उसी तरीके से था. They had different sections where you can privately enjoy your space and eat with your friends or family. And we were of course supposed to remove our footwear when we are eating at a Korean place. They also had these chimneys attached to every table in case anyone orders barbecues. Basically to grill something. Like if you're a non-vegetarian, then you can definitely try it out. I'm a vegetarian, so I ordered veg only. They had the pictures printed on the menu itself so that we know what we are ordering before. And here's our order. We ordered one veg kimbap, corn dog, and hot ramen with watermelon mojito. Side dishes were complimentary, which were cabbage and radish kimchi, which looked yum.
Food is finally here, and I have to talk very lightly since there are many people sitting over here. So मैंने order करा watermelon mojito, और मैं अब try करने वाली हूँ how is it going to be. It looks nice, amazing. It's nice. It's very refreshing. The sweet is nice actually. बहुत ज़्यादा mojitos में बहुत ज़्यादा मीठा डाल देता है, but this is like perfect. Now comes to the main thing that we're going to try, the kimbap. So let's see how is it going to be. Kimbap is actually very yum. Like usually बहुत dry होता है, but this is very moist and it actually soothes my taste buds and I love it. I'm going to try the kimchi now. Amazing. This is 10 on 10. The kimchi is amazing. Let's try the corn dog now. Corn dog try करके देखते हैं. थोड़ा सा ठंडा हो गया है शूट करते करते. But let's see. बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ी नहीं है. थोड़ा सा ब्लैंड है. And I think बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली है. ऑयली तो होगा ही, like फ्राइड है, but I think it could have been better. This is also decent. Like veggies भी बहुत okay है इसमें. And let me try the broth one. This is okay only. This is Shin ramen. So ये बहुत basic सा Shin ramen है in which they have added some veggies, which taste I would rate it 8 out of 10. It could have been better if they would have added more veggies. I have one place जहाँ पे बहुत ही अच्छा बनता है, and that is K ramen. वहाँ पे they add so many veggies, so that is much better than this.
After having yum food, हम मार्केट एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए निकल गए और वहाँ पे बहुत ही सुंदर क्लोथिंग स्टोर्स एंड कन्वीनियंस स्टोर्स थे कुछ इस तरीके से, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे रामेन ऑप्शंस एंड अदर ग्रोसरी आइटम्स भी मिल रहे थे. The whole market was giving Korean sort of vibe. We went to this beauty store which had Korean skincare and makeup brands. They had brands like Detail, Cosrx and many more options. It generally felt like I was in Korea inside some beauty store. Every corner was just click worthy and so peaceful. They also had these nail sets which were cute, but I felt they were a bit overpriced. Inside they had clothing options, bags, accessories and so much more. Me and my friend bought these too. This is how their clothing collection looked like. They had some amazing bags, but again it was very overpriced. We got our earrings and moved to next shop. Majority of the shops had really good collection of footwear for men and women. They had good pattern, good color $50, but again it was very much overpriced. Some had first copy of branded shoes as well, which is also available in MKT at much cheaper prices. After window shopping for 1 hour or so, I was craving something very spicy, and for that laughing comes to the rescue. So Tinku restaurant के just सामने एक laughing shop लगा. This is my permanent go-to whenever I visit Safdarjung. यहाँ पे जब भी आती हूँ I always eat their laughing, which just hits the right spot. अब बारी थी second cafe जाने की. Just opposite Green Nico के there is one cafe which is called Cultured. La Kitchen के just सामने पड़ता है. It's a brew house and the quality of their coffee beans and their desserts is to die for. Plus it's very cozy and quiet, so you immediately feel very calm, relaxed and peaceful whenever you visit there. First thing we ordered was tres leches and Vietnamese ice latte.
This looks so yum. ये तो बहुत ही सुंदर लग रहा है. Okay, let's take one bite. Okay, cheers. This is so yum. पलक के मुंह में पानी आ रहा है मुझे देख के. It's okay, पलक को भी खिला देते हैं. ये लो पलक. This coffee. This is my soul coffee. I love it. लेकिन यूजली मुझे वियतनामीज कॉफ़ीज़ बहुत अच्छी लगती है. एंड दिस इज़ लाइक वियतनामीज आइस लाटे विच इज़ अ फ्यूजन ऑफ व्हाट आई लाइक एंड आइस लाटे, सो आई लव इट. ऑल्दो मेरी फ्रेंड का कहना है कि ये बहुत कड़वी है, बट आई लव इट. और हमारे फ्राइज़ भी आ चुके हैं. फ्राइज़ आर ऑल्सो है, सो इट्स गोइंग टू टेस्ट इवन मच बेटर. सी यू, बाय, टुडलू. So we are finally back home and I'm so tired right now. Like literally I can't wait to change my clothes and get into something comfortable. But coming back to video, so if I would rate this experience overall, it was good for sure. हमने जो भी कैफेज एक्सप्लोर करे इट वॉज वेरी नाइस प्लेसेज. लाइक सेकेंड कैफे का तो बहुत ही अच्छा एम्बियंस था, कल्चर्ड. एंड कोरी ऑफ कोर्स आई हैव बिन देयर बिफोर ऑल्सो. उसका फूड बहुत अच्छा है एंड द एम्बियंस वॉज ऑल्सो वेरी नाइस. लाइक उनके पास प्रॉपर कोरियन जो प्लेसेज में होता है बिल्कुल वैसे सिटिंग है. सो आई लाइक बोथ द प्लेसेज, बट एक्चुअली टाइम टंच की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेसेज हम एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए. एंड प्लस मेरे फ़ोन का स्टोरेज ख़त्म हो गया था, सो मुझे अपनी फ्रेंड के फ़ोन से कुछ वीडियोस लेने पड़े. बट इट वॉज ओवरऑल अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस.
So if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to The Himanshi Effect.
Also, do share this video with your friends so that more and more people can watch it. And comment the place that you want me to explore next. I would love to do it. Bye bye for now. See you on next video.